Okay, we just had a lot of rain the last few days, and Knob Creek is running very swift and a lot of volume. Oh wow, a little some water coming from up the hill there. I hadn't noticed that. A lot of water, but we have had a ton of water flooding in this area. Okay, you can see that on the left is Knob Creek, and this little brook over here runs on our side. Basically where these two water sources meet is where our property line starts going up the mountain there. Lots of water. So this is that little brook coming along the road here. This is our neighbor's field. I wish I'd gotten video of it earlier because it was really coming fast. And then that's Knob Creek over there. And it was right over the bank. In fact, there was water coming down through this field. The sun's out now, blue sky, so it's come down quite a bit.